I'm your virtual host, Eve, and we're here to bring you the latest daily news on AI. Let's start. The upheaval at OpenAI over the last few days has now led to significant changes in its leadership. Following a tumultuous weekend, Sam Altman, previously removed as CEO of OpenAI, will not be returning to his role. After his dismissal, there was a brief attempt by investors and some OpenAI employees to reinstate him, but Altman chose to step away from negotiations. As a result, OpenAI appointed Emmett Shear, co-founder of Twitch, as interim CEO, replacing Mira Murati, who had only held the position for 2 days. Murati, who was strongly advocating for Altman's return and exploring ways to involve him in some capacity, was replaced amid this leadership shuffle. This latest turn of events further complicates an already precarious situation at OpenAI. The board's decision to remove Altman and demote Greg Brockman, OpenAI's president and co-founder, who subsequently resigned, has been met with frustration from major stakeholders, including Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, a significant backer and partner of OpenAI. This series of events reflects a deeper philosophical clash within OpenAI, particularly regarding the direction and commercial ambitions of the company. Frey, it seems that internally at OpenAI, disagreements had emerged over the speed at which Sam Altman was pushing for commercialization and company growth, whereas board member and chief scientist Ilya Sutskever was arguing to slow things down. Where does this leave Sutskever now, Frey?
As you say, Altman favored a new capped profit structure, whereas chief scientist and co-founder Sutskever wanted to shift his focus from developing new generative AI models to addressing the challenge of preventing a hypothetical artificial superintelligence from going rogue. He expresses a belief that AI, like ChatGPT, might possess some level of consciousness, and emphasizes the need for the world to recognize the profound potential of such technologies. Sutskever envisions AI transforming healthcare, drastically reducing costs, improving treatments, curing diseases, and even addressing global challenges like climate change. So, as you mentioned, this appears, partly at least, to be a philosophical versus commercial battle. It's early days yet, but with Sutskever announcing Shear as interim CEO, he's won the latest battle. That said, Eve, how will Microsoft and other investors respond?
Thanks, Frey. Yes, to say the least, the circumstances surrounding Altman's exit have caused a huge stir, with reports of Microsoft and other major investors like Thrive Capital, Sequoia Capital, and Tiger Global attempting to reinstate him. As, despite these efforts, Altman has not returned to the CEO role, Microsoft, with a $13 billion stake in OpenAI, plays a vital role in the company's operations, even though it does not hold a board seat. The tech giant provides crucial cloud computing data centers, being essential for OpenAI's AI model training and operations. What's more, the knock-on effect of the mayhem at OpenAI has had immediate financial repercussions, with Microsoft's shares dipping by 1.7%, leading to a nearly $47 billion reduction in market value. So I'm sure both Ilya Sutskever and his supporters are well aware that the turmoil is not over yet. That's all for now, but check back later today for further updates on this developing story as well as other AI news. And don't forget to subscribe to our new channel. Future Present AI aims to be your first choice for a daily dose of important AI stories from around the world. That's all from us for now.